Welcome. If you've noticed that some comments or posts on Facebook seem to be missing or filtered out, especially ones that include strong language, you're not alone. Facebook has a built-in feature that automatically hides posts and comments with profanity. The good news is you can easily turn this off, and I'll show you exactly how to do it on your PC using the latest Facebook update. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Now, click on Settings to enter the main settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different sections. Look for Followers and Public Content and click on it. This section controls how your content interacts with the public and what kind of posts you see. Scroll down until you find the option called Hide Posts and Comments with Profanity. By default, this setting is usually turned on, which means Facebook filters out content that may include offensive language. To start seeing those posts and comments again, simply disable this option. Just toggle it off and your changes will be saved automatically. That's it. Now you'll be able to view posts and comments that were previously hidden due to profanity filters. Keep in mind, turning this off may expose you to content that includes strong or explicit language, so adjust it based on your preference. And that's how you update your Facebook settings to see all posts and comments without restrictions.